This is a wonderful text editor called the HxD. Just HxD. So if you want to download it, if you come to this page, I'll drop the link on the description. Choose your language. So this Chinese, German, Greek. So I'm taking English and I'll download it here. Okay. I'm a software engineer and I major on creating Android apps. So here I'll show you how I can use this wonderful text editor to edit Android app, and this app is a system app, Android system app. It's still downloading here. So we're done downloading. Let's extract it. We open it. This particular one is going to be installed. Can get the one that you don't need to install, but this one need the installation. We'll create a desktop shortcut, then run the installation. Say readme this. I just want to launch the HxD text editor. Click on finish. Good. You can see it here. This does a lot of things. You can even open a movie. Okay, here let's say open an internal app of a Android phone. So it's here. This is the app. Well, let's open this one. You can edit it and save it back. Then let's search for something. If you watch one of my videos where I edited app for BDM bypass, you are going to see this. So we are going to search for ASCII, and we're searching all. I'll click OK. You can see it here. So if you want to edit these lines, we can easily edit it. So if you want to edit this, you can easily put maybe I want to edit this. I'll just put 00 or any number that I want to edit. You can see as this starts. So you can search for other things and edit. You can see it here. Then there's other things the HxD editor can do. You can see them here. You can import this, import then export. You can export this as this C, C++, Java, Visual Basic, HTML, and so on. Then We can even open a movie with this text editor. We can open a movie. Yeah, let's try and open this. Can you see? Just open a movie. Using a text editor, and you can see what you can find from a video, normal video. So that is just awesome. So check the link for the download on the description. You must follow the link, otherwise you download the wrong one. Or in the process of downloading it, you might even put a virus on your system. So you can use it and achieve a lot. Thank you. Make sure you subscribe that channel for more.